read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. It's time to identify lowercase letter C. But before starting my work, I want to ask that what we have done in previous days. Yes, good. We have done letter A. It's lowercase letter A. The sound of A is apple. Now, it's lowercase letter B. What's the sound of letter B? Ball. Now, it's turn of lowercase letter C. Let's learn with me how to write, how to pronounce, and how to read its vocabulary words. Start from the dot. Make semicircle. It will make small c. Start from the dot. Make semicircle. It will make small c. The letter name is C. Sound of C is cat. Cow. The cat finds a cap. The cat finds a cap. The cat finds a cap. What does the cat have? Cat has a cap. Very good. What color is the cap? It's blue. Very good. Now it's time to mime. Raise your hands with me, all of you. And clap. Say with your mouth. Clap. Clap. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.